Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to host a website on AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Before proceeding, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe it. So let's start. Go to Elastic Beanstalk and click on Create Application. Now write the name of your application. Scroll down, choose your platform. I am choosing PHP. Now click on Upload your code. Click on Choose File and upload your project. Make sure that it should be in zip file while uploading. File is successfully uploaded. Click on Create Application. Now you can see the link is displayed. So click on the link. Now your website is hosted successfully. Hope you like my video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching.